simple sentence formation take place. For example, a cat sat on a mat. You can see there are high frequency words as well, which is taught along with the sounds of the letters. High frequency is like A, then we have on, the, this, here, there, and, with. All these high frequency words along with these words help them in reading the sentences properly. Grammatically they might be wrong, doesn't matter. It's a long process. Slowly they will get there. So
I just say ask him.
Three types of learning they are about, like basically we are teaching in that way. Like auditory learning, also visual learning, and activity-based learning. So auditory learning, some of the IASH movies, they have to listen and then IASH movies here in KG1. So student, he is not focusing all the time, like he is listening only. So that time whenever you ask, he can recognize, he can say the word, because this